Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Sign and add accounts. Nintendo.com using your Nintendo account email and password. Use a secure browser and enable two-factor authentication if available. Have access to your current email to receive verification messages and security codes. Confirm you know your account password before changing the email address. If you cannot access your current email, gather account details like registration date and purchase receipts to verify ownership. Contact Nintendo support only after you prepare those details for identity verification and recovery. Open user info on the Nintendo account website and select Edit next to email address. Enter the new email address carefully to avoid typos and then type your account password. Submit the change and check the new inbox for a confirmation email from Nintendo. Open that message and click the verification link to complete the update within the allowed time window. After verification, sign out and sign back in using the new email address to confirm the change worked correctly. If you cannot access your current email address, contact Nintendo support for account recovery help. Prepare proof of ownership like purchase receipts, console serial numbers, and original registration dates before contacting support. Explain clearly that you cannot receive verification at the old email and request manual identity verification. Support will confirm identity and may reset the account email after completing required security checks. Expect guided instructions and possibly temporary delays, while Nintendo validates the submitted ownership information and secures your account.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.